Brad Williams, XL Prime, converting, let's say, San Francisco over to Tokyo time. This is just fictitious, random. The argument here, and this one's been going on forever, is do I really need to insert mod in order to compute this difference between San Francisco and the arrival time in Tokyo and the time difference? First and foremost, these are just random numbers, okay? They mean nothing. And here is the modification over using mod. You leave at 6 a.m., you arrive in Tokyo, it's 10:59 p.m., 16.99 hours. They say anything over 24 hours really throws the time off. Hit F9 until we see 24 hours in here. F9, here. We'll keep going. Okay, we have 27 hours here. Once you pass the 24-hour threshold, you're going to run into all kinds of problems. Okay. Notice there's one down here. It says 6 p.m. We can reference that. Notice, here's mod. This number is going to be all skewed. It's not. It's working. The mod is working fine. And then here, non-mod. The only difference is it adds another day. We won't see it. We'll just look at the time. There's no mod. Notice the series here, 5959. This is only triggered once you pass that 24-hour threshold. Here, the series is the same, no mod. Here, the same, and here, the same. I can just go in here and just grab time. They're identical. What's the deal with mod? Is it the conservative route to take? Here, 203, notice with 6 p.m. we cross over that threshold. This number is going to be 1.058. I'm not one here to answer that. Out of habit, maybe it's this particular example that it's working out, but I always include mod. What's the difference? It's a couple extra, 6 different taps on your keyboard. If you're against it, test it. See if it works for you. It seems to be working here. This is a 35-second test that I ran here. And the point is, it's recommended to use mod. If you're wondering why mod, over here, there is this fractional issue once you cross over, how mod handles without it rolling over. See over here, if we look at this series here, you see how it rolls over to the next day? It's doing it smoothly here, only because we're not comparing it to anything else. In this example here, mod, we're still within the same series. That could be detrimental down the road. I don't want to lecture on this subject. I want you to read this on your own. Read it if you need it. Otherwise, this is just an example of using mod in a different application. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.